Hello， 你好，听完学 Chinese， 我是小猪老师。So today we are going to learn simple conversation, and here's a question, and then we will use have, 有 to make a question, and we have bird, 有没有有没有 and plus the flashcards to answer the question. So are you ready? Let's go. So we got two keywords here. This Chinese character is 美 is nuts. So let's read in pinyin. 美 This is second cone, so I write on number 2. Let's read together. 美 And the second character is 有 This is have. So let's read in pinyin. 有 This is third tone, so I write on number 3. Let's do it together. 有 Great job. Okay, this is flashcards, and then we got some object here. We have bread, 面包 donut, 甜甜圈 coffee, 咖啡 cake, 蛋糕 So let's practice again. 面包甜甜圈咖啡蛋糕 Great job. Okay, now we have bird, 有means have. So let's say it together. 有面包有甜甜圈有咖啡有蛋糕 And this is not have. So in Chinese we say 没有 So let's read together. 没有面包没有甜甜圈没有咖啡没有蛋糕 Great job. Okay, now let's learn how to make a question. So this one, do you have bread? So we say 你有面包吗 So we simply just put 吗 in the end of sentence to make a question. So let's say it together. 你有面包吗 Do you have donut? 你有甜甜圈吗 Do you have coffee? 你有咖啡吗 Do you have cake? 你有蛋糕吗 Great job. Okay, now this is yes question. So the answer, I have bread. So in Chinese we say 我有面包 And this one is I have donuts. You say 我有甜甜圈 I have coffee. 我有咖啡 I have cake. 我有蛋糕 Great job. Here's negative answer. No answer, huh? Let's see. I don't have cake. So how do you say this in Chinese? Yeah. So we just simply put 没 in front of you. So let's say it together, huh? 我没有蛋糕。And what about I don't have coffee? And you say 我没有咖啡。I don't have donut. 我没有甜甜圈。I don't have bread. 我没有面包。Great job. And here's question 1. Listen and choose the correct picture. Okay, the first one is 有甜甜圈，有甜甜圈，有甜甜圈。Yay! Nice job. Okay, now it's question 2. Listen and choose the correct picture. 没有蛋糕，没有蛋糕，没有蛋糕。Yay! Awesome. Question 3. Listen and choose the correct picture again. 我没有咖啡，我没有咖啡，我没有咖啡。Yay! Nice job. Okay, now let's do a review and practice it, huh? And this is yes answer. So I'm the one to ask you question, and you're the one to answer it. Okay, let's try. 你有面包吗？ Okay, now you say it. Great job. So let's say it together. 我有面包。Great job. 你有甜甜圈吗？ Oh, now it's your turn. You say it. Great job. 我有甜甜圈。Nice job. Okay, now it's no answer. Negative answer, huh? So again, I'm the one to ask question. And you're the one to answer it. Okay, are you ready? Let's try. 你有咖啡吗？ Oh, now it's your turn. You say it. Yeah. 我没有咖啡。Good job. 你有蛋糕吗？ Now you say it. Yeah, let's say it together. 我没有蛋糕。Great job. Well done. And please keep up on the good work. Yeah. And if you like the tutorial, please subscribe it. Thank you. 谢谢你 and see you next time. 再见。